Hey everyone, I'm SilverSeal, and in this video I'll show you how to make a smoke detector in your creative map. So start with the devices. You'll need a Vfx Spawner, so go ahead and grab all 5 of these devices. You'll need a switch, a customizable light, a trigger, and an HUD message device. So just start with the Vfx Spawner. We'll start from left to right, I guess. Change these settings. So effect to area of fog, enable during phase to none, sound effect to burn, disable when receiving from channel 2, and enable on channel 1. Then just click accept and 1 to 5 down. So go to the switch and change these settings. Visible during game to no, start fire and stop fire for on and off. Device model to toggle switch, it really can be whatever. Interactive radius to, again, can be whatever. When turned on to channel 1, when turned off to channel 2. Now for the customizable light, so actually to find this, go to galleries. And on the left side, you need to click Lights. And the 4th one is where you'll find Customizable Light Gallery. Open that, and you'll find this fire thing. Place it down, and then copy these settings. So initial state to off, color brightness to 10 all the way. You can kind of mess that one around. Turn on channel 1, turn off on channel 2. Click accept, and then go to the trigger. Delay the amount of time you want it for the smoke detector to pick up on smoke. I chose 5 seconds. Trigger sound to disabled. Visible during game to no. Trigger on channel 1 and transmit on channel 3. Then click accept, and to the last device, HUD message device, change the text to whatever you want. Mine is smoke detector has detected a fire. Everyone evacuate the building with exclamation points. So time from round start off, and then show and receiving from channel 3 or whatever your trigger is. So that's all these devices. Now there are some changes you need for the previous tutorials if you have done them. For the sequencer from my last video, change channel 1 to channel 3 on start sequence. Then once you've done that, go to the customizable lights, flash, change from channel 1 to channel 3 on turn on. So just go and do that, and then I'll see you when I'm finished. So now I finished, and grab the customizable light. There's a certain way you need to put this so it looks realistic. So you're going to want to turn it to where use pitch or roll axis, depends on how you have it placed. For me, it's pitch. Make it larger as well. You need the flame itself to be sticking straight up. So usually it's like on a 60 or so degree angle, but you want it to be 0. So having it sticking straight up, and then resize it to bigger. Then just place it down on the floor, wherever you want the fire to be. Then grab the switch device, place it right on top of the fire. Easy as that. Or near, doesn't really matter. And then the final thing you need to move is the Vfx Spawner. You can do whatever, like you can place a few around the house or just place one near the fire. I'm going to be placing multiple, but yeah, once you have all these things, all 3 of those things placed, go and start the game. So go to the thing, turn on the fire, and just listen. Then of course stop the fire or turn off the switch when you're ready to end the fire, and everything will stop. You can have a delay so it looks more realistic, but I don't have time for that in this video. Yeah, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.